Are you looking for a method that can earn $3,000 every week? Have you heard of automated bots that have the power to boost your money-making potential? Do you want to earn money while you sleep but don't have any prior experience or skill? Well then, this automated method is just for you. In this video, I will show you a completely new set-and-forget strategy that will generate thousands of dollars every day. The best part is that it requires zero effort on your side. You will only need to set up this method one time and then get money automatically into your account. I will show you the entire method in an easy step-by-step process so you can set up the money-making system for yourself. You can use this method from anywhere around the world, and even a beginner can do it with such ease that you will be surprised. I will also show you how to get free traffic for your offers and also the secret automated bot that will make your life so much better. And if you want my team and keep in mind that this is only offered to 10 persons every month due to limited capacity. So if that's still available, click the first link in the description to have my team and I set up a fully automated affiliate marketing business customized for you. And you can keep 100% of the profits for the rest of your life. So let's get started. Step 1. Go to the website cpagrip.com, which is an affiliate marketing website. If you don't already have an account here, you can easily sign up on the website. Remember to choose the option GPT in the publisher option while signing up as an affiliate. Step 2. Now once you sign into your new account, you have to select an offer. But first you have to select the country. So choose United States as your country. We have chosen this country as most of the traffic for these offers belongs to the US. If you get visitors from any other country, CPA Grip will automatically display another relevant offer to them instead of the US offer, and you will still earn money. Isn't this amazing? So now you have to choose an offer. In the search box, type in gift card, and all the offers with gift cards will be displayed on your screen. You'll get offers such as Amazon gift cards, PayPal gift cards, Walmart gift cards, or Target gift cards, which are as good as cash. Let's choose a $750 PayPal gift card. Step 3. Now you need to get your own affiliate link for this offer. The offer says, our latest batch of gift cards has just shipped, act now. So once a visitor reaches this offer page, they'll be prompted to take a short survey and fill in their personal information, i.e. name, address, email address, and country. And when someone does all this through your affiliate link, you will be paid $1.94 for each entry for as long as the person who submitted the content is 18 years or older. Step 4. Now we will move towards our automated bot platform. Let's go to the website manychat.com. This is the most important step, so make sure you follow it properly. You can easily sign up on manychat.com and get a free account. Select the option Get Started for Free on the homepage. Then you will get the option to choose among different channels such as Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and Instagram. Here, select Facebook Messenger. Then you can sign up using your Facebook account by clicking on this option. You'll be asked some simple prompt questions, and then you can sign up on the platform for free. You will get 1,000 free connects on your account when you sign up. This is an excellent platform for building your contacts and earning $3,000 every week. Step 5. Now go to the settings on the left side and click on Growth Tools. Here you'll be creating your own growth tool by clicking on the New Growth Tool button on the top. Then select the landing option. This will create a landing page that will be used to capture contacts into your ManyChat account. Now you need to design your landing page, which is a very simple process. Here on the landing page you will write, enter a giveaway for a chance to win $750 in PayPal gift card, and at the bottom right, click the button below to get started, one entry every 24 hours only. Then you can add an image of a PayPal gift card to make it more attractive. You can also customize the landing page by going through the options on the left side. But for now, we don't need to edit anything else. Now go to the option Submitted State, and here in the option after Submit, choose Redirect to URL. In the URL box, you need to paste your CPA Grip affiliate link, and in the Open this URL, choose the option in a new tab. Then click Next, and then click on Save, and then Publish. This will be your landing page's URL, so make sure you do this step correctly. Step 6. Now when someone visits this landing page and signs up using their Messenger account, they'll be notified through a message and then redirected to the PayPal gift card worth $750. You can then remarket more CPA offers to them after every 24 hours and earn more money every day. Now go to the option Automation on the left side of the ManyChat toolbar. Here you have to change the growth tool opt-in message. This is the growth tool that you have created so far. Here you have to type your message such as hello first name. Thank you for checking out our giveaway page. Your $750 PayPal gift card giveaway is waiting for you. Then after that, you'll add a delay option to look like someone is actually typing a message. After adding a delay of 3 seconds, you can add the text. You can enter to win a $750 gift card below, one entry every 24 hours. I've since changed the $750 to an affiliate link and replaced the website address with my own. In the future, visitors to our site who express interest in entering to win a gift card by clicking a button reading, "Yes, I want to enter the gift card," will be taken directly to the CPA offer in question. However, they will also get a message saying something like, "Welcome first name. Thank you for checking out our contest website. Your $750 PayPal gift card is ready for you." And then you can enter to win a $750 gift card below, one entry per 24 hours. Then add button title as $750 gift card. After that, in the website address, paste your affiliate link and click done. So whenever someone goes to our landing page and clicks on, "Yes, I want to enter a giveaway," they will be redirected to the CPA offer for a chance to win the gift card. In addition, they will also receive the ManyChat message. To finish, hit the Publish button. Step 7. Now go back to the Growth Tool menu option and click on the growth tool that you have created. Here you would want to get the link to your growth tool. So click on the section Setup and copy your landing page URL. After that, go to bit.ly.com and paste your ManyChat link and click on the Shorten button. This will shorten your link and make it more presentable. Now let me show you another automated method to get tons of free traffic. You can integrate all these methods together to get the best results. So go to the website Pinterest.com. Don't worry about getting followers here, as you'll be using another strategy to get traffic. You can sign up easily for a free Pinterest account if you don't have an account here. Now go to the settings of your Pinterest account and edit the About section. Here you can write free PayPal gift cards for October 2022. Enter for a chance to win up to $1,000 or any other gift card, one entry every 24 hours. Include your ManyChat link in the option website, then hit save. So to get traffic, go to the home feed. Here type saving money into the search bar on Pinterest. Now search for some popular profiles that have a lot of followers. Here you would see profiles that have over 100,000 followers and millions of people watch their videos every month. Step 8. Now let me show you another automated bot that is also completely free. This is just like a Pinterest tool that's still in beta version, so not many people know about it. You can make money by doing this step, as it is a 100% working method. This tool will automatically follow all the people who are following the popular money-saving Pinterest accounts. All these people are your target audience, as they are already looking for ways to save money. So the tool is called Zombio, which is an auto-follower and liker that gets you organic followers, likes, and fans. This tool will help you to follow all these people automatically. You need to paste the link of the popular profile in Zombio, and it will automatically follow all the followers of that account. Then in return, they'll naturally investigate your profile and bio, where they will see free PayPal gift card giveaway. This will make them participate in your giveaway offer. Then a message will be sent to them via Facebook Messenger, and you'll be able to remarket to them almost daily for free to provide them with even more CPA offers. Once you hit 500 or 1,000 subscribers, just one of these ManyChat messages can earn you over $1,000 a day.